Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a perspective grid in Procreate. First, open the Actions menu, which is the wrench icon, and select the Canvas tab. Next, toggle on the drawing guide and then tap Edit Drawing Guide to customize it. From the options presented, choose the Perspective tab. You can then tap on your canvas to place your first vanishing point, which is essential for creating depth in your artwork. Once you have placed your initial vanishing point, you can add up to 2 more, for a total of 3, by simply tapping on the canvas again. Feel free to drag these points around to achieve your desired perspective. At the bottom of the screen, you will find sliders to adjust the grid's thickness and opacity, allowing for clear visibility. When you are satisfied with your setup, tap Done to finalize your custom perspective grid. To make your drawing process easier, ensure Drawing Assist is enabled for your active layer. You can do this by tapping the layer thumbnail and selecting Drawing Assist. With this feature active, any lines you draw on that specific layer will automatically snap to your perspective grid, helping you create precise 3-dimensional shapes. Remember to toggle it off when you need to draw freehand without grid constraints. This feature is incredibly helpful for architectural or environmental art. For more advanced techniques, experiment with 1, 2, or 3-point perspective by adding or removing vanishing points. If you need to reset, simply drag any vanishing point off the canvas to remove it. Remember to save your artwork with the grid visible if you want to reference it later. Consistent practice with the perspective grid will significantly improve your ability to create convincing depth and realism in all your Procreate illustrations.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.